Here at Falk College, majors in nutrition, public health, social work, human development, and family science offer great opportunities for students interested in the pre-health professions.
I wanted to work with kids, but I didn't want to be a teacher. My advisor brought up the Child Life Specialist track in the HDFS program.
The field of human development and family science is a study of children and families using a lifespan approach from infancy all the way up to older adulthood. Students interested in the child life focus look at challenges that children face in hospital settings. For example, children with a terminal illness.
I want to make children's lives in hospitals easier, and I want them to have the skills to be able to cope with what they're going through too.
We have a wonderful group of internship coordinators for all of our majors that enable our students to get real-life work experience right here in our community, across the United States, and even internationally.
I work with agencies all throughout the area, all throughout the region, forging these relationships with folks who are working in public health. Public health is focusing on our health as a population.
I'm interested in the health field mainly because for as long as I can remember, I just got pure enjoyment out of helping others. I was originally a biology major and it just didn't have the human element I was looking for.
Our public health seniors are all required to do a full-time, full-semester internship. After they've completed an internship, most students will say, I had no idea it was this much fun. I had no idea it would be this great an impact.
I was shadowing a physician through the Office of Veteran Affairs, and we would go to their homes and provide primary care or just a general checkup. It's really just about putting yourself in their shoes in order to deliver the best possible care.
We have a nutrition science and a nutrition program, and they are based upon a very strong liberal arts core of hardcore sciences. So nutrition science, they typically are going on to a pre-professional program. Physician's assistants, doctors, pharmacists, they might be in academics.
I'm going into a doctorate program at Cornell University in biomedical physiology. I took research that I was already conducting with Dr. Horacek through the fruit and vegetable study that's ongoing across 8 campuses in the United States that looks at the quality of nutrition around college campuses.
We have alumni in research with the National Cancer Institute, with the USDA. Our students are going on to the programs they want, and so we're very pleased with that.
What a lot of people don't understand when they're looking at colleges is that there really isn't a pre-med major. You can take any major in college and have it tailored toward a pre-health, pre-med major.
I'm using social work as a conduit to get to medical school. So I'm on a pre-med track because I want to study psychiatry to go into mental health counseling for marginalized groups.
Well, I think students who come to our School of Social Work come with a strong desire to be of service to others. And that is so pivotal to what social work practice is all about.
You learn how to interact with people, and you learn skills like sensitivity and conflict resolution that you wouldn't learn in a science major.
If a student comes to Syracuse University's Falk College to go into a medical school program and halfway through their career here changes their mind and thinks med school isn't the direction that they want to take, having a degree in nutrition or public health or social work or human development is going to enable them to have plenty of different career paths that they can choose.
Social workers exist everywhere. They exist in hospitals and classroom settings. They exist in the foster care system and the prison system. I think that SU is such a great place to be because it's such a welcoming community and there's so many opportunities. The faculty here is really incredible. They connect with you on a personal level. I would recommend it to anyone.